Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an Outlook email account step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Outlook.com. Click Sign In if you see it. Then choose Create Free Account. Type the email address name you want before at Outlook.com. If the name is taken, try a different version until it becomes available. Click Next to continue. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using your name, birth date, or simple words in the password. Click Next after typing your password. Enter your first name and last name in the required fields. Click Next to proceed. Select your country or region from the drop-down list. Choose your birth month, day, and year. Click Next to move forward. Complete the security check by solving the CAPTCHA puzzle. If the CAPTCHA is hard to read, refresh it to get a new one. Click Next after you complete the security check. Review the Microsoft services and privacy information shown on the screen. Click Accept to create and activate your Outlook account. Wait a few seconds while Outlook finishes setting up your new mailbox. When your inbox opens, click the settings icon to adjust basic preferences. Choose your language and time zone so messages show the correct time. Click Mail, then select Layout to pick a reading pane style you like. Go to Junk Email Settings and confirm your filtering level is appropriate. Click View All Outlook settings if you need more detailed options. To test your account, click New Mail and send a message to another email you own. Check the Sent folder to confirm the message was sent successfully. If you want extra protection, open Account Settings and enable two-step verification. Write down your recovery email or phone number so you can reset your password later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.